Hello and welcome to this fifth and final training module on our new Axxessible portal for Canadian Customs, Shipment Web. In this module, we will explore the electronic invoices and reports menu, which can be found under Customs, CA Customs. The electronic invoices menu is particularly useful for quickly locating invoices and related documents for your past shipments. Meanwhile, the reports menu gives you access at your convenience to a wealth of relevant information regarding your customs clearance. The electronic invoice menu, or eBilling, is simple and intuitive to use. You can locate a specific invoice by searching with its invoice number or with the transaction number it is linked to. It is also possible to filter results by date range using the start date and the end date fields. And then click on the search button. As with other search menus, you can save your search criteria for quicker access in the future. So to do this, you simply enter your desired search parameters, you click search, then name and save the search in the designated area. Important notice, the status field that is shown into this page is currently not relevant as the portal is not integrated with our accounting software. As a result, all invoices will always appear as unpaid unless they have been voided. In the search results section, you can download the content displayed in the grid by simply clicking the download icon. To view an invoice, click on the printer icon. You will then be able to choose the format that best suits your needs, so either the standard format, the B3 format, which includes a summary of the customs clearance details that is directly showing on the invoice, or the email option. This last option allows you to send the invoice by email in just 2 clicks. Invoices are sent from the address no reply at itm.decatservices.com. Please note that the email will not include a subject line, but it will contain an attachment. This attachment includes the invoice itself, but also all related documents such as the official CBSA declaration, commercial invoice, manifest, bill of lading, or whatever other document we may have on hand for that particular shipment. The third icon allows you to print an account statement. However, since the portal is not connected to our accounting system, we do not recommend using this feature as the data is not kept up to date. To obtain an accurate and up-to-date account statement, please contact your assigned representative in our accounts receivable department. You can also view the detail of a transaction by clicking to this icon. As in other menus, this button gives you access to a comprehensive view, including carrier, number of packages, product details, classification, duties and tax rate, and much more. Finally, as you might expect, the gear icon allows you to customize the display of columns in the results grid according to your preferences. You can rearrange the position of a column, remove it from the display, or add it as needed. Let's now move on to the reports menu. As of today, the application offers 15 different reports. In the PDF guide you received a few weeks ago, you'll find a brief explanation of each report to help you select the ones best suited to your needs. To generate a report, simply click on the report you want, then click on the Open File icon to access that report's processing parameters. Depending on the selected report, the available parameters will vary. Some reports allow you to apply multiple filtering criteria to narrow down the results, while others are more limited in that regard. The client field is always mandatory. If you don't know your client code by heart, click on the magnifying glass icon to view the client number you have access to. And even if there's only one, you must still click on the Apply Selection button. If other fields are required, they will usually be marked with a red asterisk. Complete them as needed, such as setting the date range. And then choose your preferred format. Usually you will have PDF or CSV. Finally, click the Generate button. The report will be downloaded through your web browser and you can open it or save it directly to your computer. As with other menus, you can save the report generation settings for future use. In order to do this, enter your desired criteria and then give your custom report a name and save it. It will then be available directly from your personal list for easy access. To return to the main report page, simply click the back icon. Now let's take a moment to explore one report in particular, the B3 Data Tracking Report. This is one of the most comprehensive reports available on the portal. The B3 report allows you to obtain either a high-level overview or a very detailed view of your custom clearances based on a range of filters: specific time period, a particular supplier, or all of your suppliers. You can also filter by release date, duties and tax, accounting date, invoice date, and many other criteria. Pay special attention to the Output Action section, which lets you export the report in one of the following formats. So you have the summary format. Each clearance is summarized in a single line in the Excel file. You have the B3 format. The report is broken down by classification code. If a single transaction includes products classified under two different tariff codes, the report will show two separate rows. And the last one, the CCI data format. So this is the most detailed option. Each line in the file represents a separate item listed on your supplier's commercial invoice. These different versions of the report can be extremely useful for analyzing your import trends, supporting your internal reviews or audits, and quickly extracting the most relevant information depending on the level of detail you need. You have just completed the fifth and final tutorial in our series on the new Axxessible Canada Shipment Web Portal. We hope these modules have helped you understand the key features and feel confident integrating them into your daily operations. If you have any questions about the portal, feel free to contact us at accessibleca@accessintl.com in addition to your usual communication channels. If you have specific needs related to the platform that were not addressed in these tutorials, you are welcome to request a private session by reaching out to your sales account executive. At Axxess, we are committed to providing attentive and responsive service. Our team is always here to support you and respond to your needs. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.